May I call back on stage again Mr. Joseph Ross-Hobson, Mr. Ian Roberts, Ms. Suzanne Wang, Deputy Director, and His Excellency.
Logging in Propac Philippines in World Trade Center. This is the 2025 edition. So sakto rin puntating tayo.
Opportunity that's happening here on stage. Alright, it looks like our dignitaries are already in position. And one! Ladies and gentlemen, Propac 2025 is now open. Thank you.
Alright, we are now here sa Propac Philippines 2025. Ayan. So ito yung mga parang conference o trade fair siya. All about creating packages, no? Yung mga machines, so paano nila gawing sustainable. Kamukha na itong mga to. Ayan. It is some machines na from other countries na how they create packages, yung mga ganyan, mga ginagamit natin sa mga produkto natin. Ayan. So it's a B2B event, business to business. So manufacturers, ito may gumagawa ng mga tablets niya, capsules, yan, for example. Ayan, mga gamot. So machines na... Oh, kakain tayo. Sige, kakain. Uy, pala si Ray, no? Tumakas. Si Nicole. Ayan, ayan. So mga suki natin sa Propac yan. So ito para pang... ano to? Pang karne, grinder siya. Grinder. So all of this are B2B. So these companies provided a... mga sa kumbaga packaging solutions, for example mga materials, no, creating those bottled water, for example. So these companies are offering their services. Ayan. So kung meron kayong mga produkto, you should visit Propac Philippines to get your own kumbaga supplier ng mga machines or pag-create ng mga packaging materials for their product. So hindi lang naman siya more on a bottle, but yung mga pack na ganito, ayan, mga Milo, yung mga Tetra Pak, for example, mga chips, they create those products. So mamaya mag-iikot pa tayo, no? At we're going to eat our lunch. At nakita ko na si Eli Villagonzalo na una na. Si Rain, naka Uniqlo polo ba yan? Uniqlo yan eh.
Si Eli, kitang-kita mo eh.
Oo, naka-orange eh. Orange na orange. So kakain muna kami ng lunch at wala pa tayong upuan. Bahala na. Sige. Tara, kawan na tayong pagkain.
Nakita niyo yung vacuum.
Ako rin kuya, ice cream isa.
Sir, thank you.
Right. Wala din ako nakatis, kumuha na rin ako. Alright, we are back and let's check out some robots here sa Propac. So, usapang technology, makita tayo ng mga robots at work, sampling. For example, here sa Sedfield Engineers India, they have this robotic, naka-automated na yan, itong machines. Naka-routine niya natin mga items or packaging, kinukuha niya. Ayan. I think it's going to be like this. Mga packaging na yan. Ayan. Ganito ang mga machines na operated by humans. For example here, I think parang infrared yata ito eh. Ang X-ray, I think. And there's a lot of robotic machines here. For example, this one, napaka-busy niya. Oh. This video jet, and yung robot niya. Para sinasak lang niya yung box. Ina-arrange niya precisely, oh. Galing, oh. Tukunin pa niya at ililipat doon sa kabilang side. That's a automated operation. Robot na robot siya. Here's one, another robot from Lipak. Wow, very busy. Marami pa dito mga booths na you can check out here sa Propac Philippines, and all of these are parang packaging providers and solutions. Here's the much more interesting robot is meron siyang parang drone. Yung drone nagbubuhat ng mga crate. Kaya kunyari bubuhatin niya yan. Ililipat yun sa kabilang side. Galing, oh.
Sabi ko, pwede naman ako pag Sabado.
Atras siya. Yun siya umatras. Galing. AUM pack. Galing. May robotic arm din dito. Galing, oh. Everything is automated. Use a conveyor belt. I think ito. It will go through that arm. Lalagay doon sa crate, tapos bubuhati ng drone. Ayan. More machines here. This is a very interesting robot na naman. Na papackaging siya kunyari. Kumukuha siya ng packaging. So ilalagay niya doon sa box. Ayan. So mga 12 pieces of items. I think biscuit, butter coconut, ayan. Parang sinasak lang niya eh, oh, para bubuhatin eh. Sinasak lang niya yung ata eh. Para hindi ma-damage yung product. Galing. Laki. Lots of machines here sa ProPack. At hindi na ako makapaglibot ng malawak-lawak na ano kasi nag-take na ako ng picture sa itong laki ng convention center na to sa World Trade. Different kinds of companies like Taiwan, China, India, Turkey, meron din. Tayo dumaan kanina, there's another robot here. Check natin. This one is interesting, robot din to. So it's a packaging system. Ito yung kinalalabasan niya. Ayan ang itsura niya. Let's go here. A big robot for packaging din. Kuha siya ng mga items at box. EPB Group Berhad. Ayan. Galing, grabe. Here's some of the machines here. Ayan, for packaging to. Lalaki na machines sila. Alright, I'll be ending now my vlog here. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you're looking for a packaging business solutions for your products, go visit the ProPack Philippines here sa World Trade Center Manila. The event is up to February 14. No? So magkagawa kayo ng Valentine's Day. Dito na kayo. Kasi dito yung mga B2B na rin din sa mga products and packaging makers from different parts of the world. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video, vlog, adventure. I want to end this video with a nice selfie with this giant arm robot. Ayan. Astig eh.